All aboard for a journey through the world's most breathtaking rail routes. From snow-capped mountains to sun-drenched coastlines, these train rides offer more than just transportation. They're a feast for the eyes and an adventure for the soul. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the top 10 scenic train journeys that will leave you in awe of our planet's natural beauty. For centuries, trains have been connecting people and places, but some routes go beyond mere travel. They become experiences in themselves, offering passengers front-row seats to nature's grandest spectacles. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or an armchair traveler, these iconic rail journeys promise to ignite your wanderlust and showcase the world in a way you've never seen before. Our countdown begins with number 10, the West Highland Line in Scotland. This 164-mile route from Glasgow to Mallaig is often hailed as one of the most scenic rail journeys in the world. As you chug along, you'll be treated to views of misty lochs, rugged mountains, and remote villages that seem frozen in time. The line's most famous section crosses the Glenfinnan Viaduct, a stunning 21-arch bridge that Harry Potter fans might recognize from the films. At number 9, we have the Bernina Express in Switzerland. This 4-hour journey from Chur to Tirano is a masterclass in alpine beauty. The train climbs to altitudes of over 7,000 feet, passing through 55 tunnels and crossing 196 bridges. The highlight? The Spiral Brusio Viaduct, an engineering marvel that allows the train to gain height in a remarkably small area. With panoramic windows, you won't miss a single snow-capped peak or pristine glacier. Rolling in at number 8 is the Rocky Mountaineer in Canada. This luxury train service offers several routes through the stunning landscapes of Western Canada. The journey from Vancouver to Banff is particularly spectacular, winding through the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Passengers are treated to views of turquoise lakes, dense forests, and maybe even some wildlife. The train's glass dome coaches ensure you don't miss a thing, whether it's a soaring eagle or a distant waterfall. Number 7 takes us to Peru with the Andean Explorer. This luxurious sleeper train runs between Cusco and Arequipa, traversing some of the highest plains of the Andes. As you glide past snow-capped mountains and herds of wild vicuñas, you'll feel like you're on top of the world quite literally, as the route reaches altitudes of up to 14,000 feet. The journey includes a stop at Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world. Halfway through our list at number 6 is the Glacier Express in Switzerland. Often called the slowest express train in the world, this 7.5-hour journey between Zermatt and St. Moritz is all about savoring the scenery. The train passes through 91 tunnels and over 291 bridges, offering ever-changing views of the Swiss Alps. The route includes the Oberalp Pass, which at 6,670 feet is the highest point of the journey. Number 5 brings us to the land of the rising sun with Japan's Shinkansen. While known for its speed, the bullet train also offers some incredibly scenic routes. The Tokyo to Osaka line, in particular, provides stunning views of Mount Fuji on clear days. The train's sleek design and smooth ride allow passengers to fully appreciate the rapidly changing landscape, from bustling cities to serene countryside. At number 4, we have the Flam Railway in Norway. This 12.5-mile route from Myrdal to Flam is short but oh so sweet. Descending 2,800 feet in just an hour, it's one of the steepest standard gauge railway lines in the world. The journey takes you through some of Norway's most dramatic fjord scenery, with waterfalls cascading down steep mountainsides and lush green valleys unfolding before your eyes. Our top 3 begins with the Trans-Siberian Railway at number 3. This epic journey spans nearly 6,000 miles from Moscow to Vladivostok, making it the longest continuous rail line in the world. While not traditionally scenic in the same way as mountain routes, the Trans-Siberian offers a unique window into the vastness and diversity of Russia. From the Ural Mountains to Lake Baikal, the world's deepest freshwater lake, the changing landscapes tell the story of this immense country. Runner-up at number 2 is the Qinghai-Tibet Railway in China. This engineering marvel is the highest railway in the world, reaching elevations of over 16,000 feet as it crosses the Tibetan Plateau. The journey from Xining to Lhasa offers otherworldly views of snow-capped mountains, vast grasslands, and crystal-clear lakes. Special oxygen-enriched carriages ensure passengers can comfortably enjoy the high-altitude scenery. And finally, our number 1 scenic train journey is none other than South Africa's Blue Train. This luxury rail service between Pretoria and Cape Town is the epitome of elegance on rails. As you glide through diverse landscapes, from the grasslands of the Highveld to the haunting beauty of the Peru desert, you'll be cocooned in 5-star comfort. The 31-hour journey includes a stop at the historic diamond mining town of Kimberley, adding a touch of adventure to the trip. These top 10 scenic train journeys offer more than just transportation from A to B. They're about the journey itself, the ever-changing views outside your window, and the sense of adventure that comes with slow travel. From the comfort of your seat, you can watch mountains, forests, deserts, and oceans roll by, each mile bringing new wonders. Whether you're drawn to the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps, the rugged beauty of the Scottish Highlands, or the vast expanses of Siberia, there's a train journey out there that will capture your imagination. These routes remind us that sometimes the best way to see the world is not by rushing from one destination to another, but by taking the time to appreciate the spaces in between. So, the next time you're planning a trip, consider swapping the hassle of airports for the romance of the rails. Book a ticket on one of these incredible journeys and rediscover the joy of slow travel. After all, in a world that's always rushing, there's something truly special about sitting back, relaxing, and watching the world go by at the gentle pace of a train. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. All aboard for adventure!